GRI8-06A Current Monitoring Relay, adopting a through-the-heart design. No need to disconnect the current circuit. Easy to install and use through the heart. Optional specifications with AC/DC universal detection. Suitable for monitoring overcurrent and undercurrent in electrical equipment. Set the gear to overcurrent lock 2A. Now turn on the small light bulb. The current passing through the small light bulb is too small. The multimeter does not display current. Now turn on the heater. When the current in the circuit exceeds 2A, light bulb on.